बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 11th फिजिकल एजुकेशन ऑफलाइन क्लास है। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एर्गोजेनिक एड्स एंड डोपिंग इन सपोर्ट्स। एर्गोजेनिक एड्स मीन्स दोज एड्स, दीज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, दीज थिंग्स, वो चीजें जो हमें हेल्प करती है टू इंक्रीज द परफॉर्मेंस या द एड्स द हेल्प the foods, the ways, the things which we adopt in order to increase the performance, whether it's ergogenic aids or it's the doping by which we can enhance our performance. In supports अगर हम देखेंगे to enhance, to increase the performance, to increase the energy, nowadays it's very common and many athletes adopted the different ways. By this way or that way, they adopted these ways. Ergogenic aids are the aids of जैसे कि food substances या other substances या training substances which increases the efficiency, which increases the energy production, और जिससे क्या हो जाती है कि it also helps us in recovery, it also provides the different advantages with the चाहे external factors हो या internal factors हो, much of them are external influences, external factors that increase the performance. चाहे फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज हो, चाहे ड्रग्स हो, चाहे फिजियोलॉजिकल एड्स हो, चाहे साइकोलॉजिकल एड्स हो या समथिंग अनदर या और भी कुछ चीजें हो, तो दीज थिंग्स द एर्गोजेनिक एड्स, द सब्सटेंसेस विच वी यूज, चाहे वो ड्रग्स हो, न्यूट्रिशन हो या समथिंग लाइक दैट या मैकेनिकल एड्स हो, तो उससे क्या हो जाते हैं, दीज आर ट्राइड टू इंक्रीज द परफॉर्मेंस, नाउ the types of the ergogenic aids. The ergogenic aids क्या होते हैं? Ergogenic aids are a different aids. Number first अगर हम देखेंगे the mechanical aid means this includes altitude training, water training, running on artificial turf या running on the surface या weight training या इलास्टिक कार्ड, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग जिसको बोलते हैं, या स्पीड डेवलपिंग ट्रेनिंग या स्विमिंग ट्रेनिंग को मैकेनिकल एड्स आर दोज एड्स इन विच our body is brought into a condition in which it can perform much more. Means mechanical aids are those aids like different exercises, heavy exercise in which there is much more mechanical force that produces much more energy and it helps us to give the best. And this is the mechanical aid, means the mechanical utilization of mechanical energy by developing it by the different activities and different. Number 2 is pharmacological aids. Pharmacological aids are those pharmacy जिसको बोलते हैं. Pharmacological aids means those aids which the athletes use, जो athlete use करते हैं to increase the performance. These aids are like the different drugs जैसे कि anabolic steroids, beta blockers, azithromycin, human growth hormones. These are known as the pharmacological aids. These aids also increase. Number 3 is the nutritional aid. Nutritional aid means the consumption of supports increasing न्यूट्रिशनल आइटम्स. इट इंक्लूड जैसे कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोड करना, या नंबर 2 फॉस्फेट, विटामिन, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, कैफीन, प्रोटीन, सपोर्ट्स, ड्रिंक्स. These are known as the nutritional aids. Means the use of the nutrition in which by which we can increase the output, by which we can increase the speed, by which we can increase the performance. Number 4, that is the physiological aids. Physiological aid means an aid which improves the performance is the body capacity, in which the body capacity is increased. It likes the cheers of the crowd. It like the cheers of the crowd. This includes physiological aids means the performance or the training in the competition. जिससे क्या हो जाता है, it makes the increase in our performance. और उसमें क्या आ जाता है, इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स द डिफरेंट एटीट्यूड्स ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, द डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग, जैसे कि ब्लड डोपिंग भी इसमें आता है, या हर्बल मेडिसिन भी आते हैं, या सपोर्ट्स, मसाज, सोना बाथ. And these are the important physiological aspects which which recreates much more motion in our body. Psychological aid is aid by which we can increase our performance is that first it means the cheer from the crowd. It's a psychological aid. It also helps us to put much more energy to perform well. Number two, cheer from the crowd, meditation, relaxation, motivation. These are the number 6. Thank you very much. बस इतना ही आज पर.